Okay, so
Step number 8. It leads on perfectly. Have something to sell, right? It's so interesting because recently this guy emailed me. He's been to one of my trainings. Like, look, I see you're speaking. I'm speaking in Warsaw next week or this week. This week. You know, it's an interesting place to speak. And he said, "Oh, I see you're speaking there. I've been offered to speak there. Shall I do it?" And I was like, "Sure. Why wouldn't you do it?" And he said, "I've got nothing to sell." I said, "Well, that's not true, because you're selling yourself, and you can sell people into having conversations with you. You can sell people into consultations, right? So the important part is, unless of course it's a keynote and it's just a nice talk, that's different. And the important part is, again, if we're going to know that we're selling, have something to sell. Get people into wanting to work with you, have something to offer them. It can be something minimal, something small, something little. It doesn't have to be thousands or pounds or dollars, but have something, because people will never be as warm and as ready to buy from you as that moment that they engaged with you. And so just have something to sell. And that is step number 8.